Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button. I woke up a little bit ago. I've just been in bed having a really lazy morning, literally doing nothing. I need to get up, but today is going to be a really fun day because it is game day. I go to school here at Indiana University, so it is my first game day. I'm a little baby and I've never tailgated before, so I don't know what you exactly do, but I'm very excited. I'm gonna vlog everything for you guys also, so you guys will see everything, of course. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get up, shower, do a little bit of makeup, put on an outfit, probably get some lunch with my friends, and yeah. Okay, just got out of the shower. I'm gonna put my lotion on. This is the best lotion for fake tan. I use this all the time. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. They sell this at Sephora. It's literally the best. This is what it looks like. It also smells so good, like, whoa. Okay, so I just did my makeup. I don't know how to wear my hair. Like, is this even cute? Definitely not. I don't know. Okay, let's figure out an outfit right now. I literally have no clue what to wear. This is my closet, by the way, if any of you guys are wondering. It's honestly pretty big because I have all of that, and then I have 2 drawers, and then I have 2 drawers under there, and then actually another, so 3. This is all my tailgate section. Like, I just have all my jackets. I'm probably gonna have to wear a jacket because it's pouring right now. This is what I was planning on wearing when I thought it was sunny. This little Indiana tube top, and then this little skirt. I think I'm probably gonna wear the skirt, but probably not the tube top just because it's so cold. And then I'll probably wear like a jacket or something. I have way too many Indiana jackets. Either this jacket or this jacket. Also, if you guys didn't know, I go to Indiana University. If it wasn't obvious. Okay, this is the look. I can't tell if I like it. I feel like it's a little much, like too much white. Okay, this is what the other sweatshirt looks like. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the white. Okay, so it is 4:18 and the game doesn't start until 7, I think. So my friends are gonna come over right now. We're gonna get ready, put on some stickers on our face. Then we're probably gonna take some photos and then probably go to the game. So that's my little update for you guys. Yeah. Look who came! Oh, okay guys, this is Soph, and then this is Emily. We're all in our little skirts. Tailgate season. First game day. We're struggling a little because we're freshmen. We don't know where to go because there's no tailgates.
It's pouring rain outside.
Yeah.
So this is a little rough. Day for us. Wait, show them how it looks outside.
Yeah, it's like pouring
Look
rain.
how sad. We got flash flood warnings and everything. Trying to figure out what to do right now.
I say temporary tattoos.
I'm down, honestly.
But yeah, I'm gonna update you guys when there's like an actual thing that we're doing.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
We're really weird, so bye. I am. We are game ready. We're raincoats. We're so weird.
I just ripped out my hoop.
Reality.
Reality check.
Legit. That's Indiana for being so freaking cold. We literally look like eggs.
Who looks like the biggest egg of them all?
We literally do though.
Oh my god.